I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you two application questions based on group factoring. Question number 4. The area of a trapezoid is 70x plus 10. Determine the height. So we are given a figure here where the two sides are 4x plus 1 and 3x and the height is h, and we need to find what this height is. Question number 5. Show that 1 greater than the sum of squares of the, so there's a typing error, let me rewrite. Show that 1 greater than the sum of squares of any three consecutive integers is always divisible by 3. So you can rewrite this question. Show that 1 greater than the sum of squares of any three consecutive means the numbers which come together, right? So consecutive means numbers which come together is always divisible by 3. So try these questions and then look into my suggestions. Now we are given area of the trapezoid. What is the formula for area? Area of this trapezoid will be, we have to add these two sides, which is 4x plus 1 and 3x, and then we have to multiply with height and then divide by 2. So that is the area of this trapezoid. It could be written as 4 plus 3 is 7, so we get 7x plus 1 divided by 2 times height. So that becomes the area of a trapezoid. Now we are also given that the area of the trapezoid is 70x plus 10. Look at this number. So we are given area equals to 70x plus 10, and we need to find what height is. How are you going to do it? Well, let's factor. So this, you can factor 10 out. So if you factor 10, you get 7x plus 1. Now if you compare, we have 7x plus 1 divided by 2 times height. So if I have to write like this, we get height divided by 2 is 10, or I could write this as what? I could write this as 20 times 7x plus 1 divided by 2, right? So 20 divided by 2 is same as 10, right? But if you compare, you can get height as equals to 20. So we get height equals to 20. Do you see that part? So that is how you can find it. So once you compare, then this part is exactly same, and what remains is the height. So that is how you could do it. Alternate method could be, if you want to do direct from here, height divided by 2 is 10, so height is 20. Perfect. So either way, the correct answer is height equals to 20. Perfect. Now second question here is, show that 1 greater than sum of squares of any three consecutive integers. So when we are taking integers which are consecutive, we could take x plus 1. The third could be x plus 2. But look here, I could also take x minus 1 as my third integer. So let these be three integers which are consecutive, right? Since the difference is 1, they come together. Now we have to show that 1 greater than sum of squares of 3. So 1 greater than sum of squares means what? Let's try to write a statement. 1 greater than sum of squares. So sum of squares of these numbers will be x minus 1 whole square plus x square plus x plus 1 whole square, and 1 greater than means plus 1. So that becomes an expression for the given statement. Is that clear? Now we need to solve this. So we can expand and simplify. So if I expand, you remember the formulas. A minus b whole square is x squared minus 2ab, that is 2x plus 1. Here we get plus x squared. Here we get x squared plus 2x plus 1, and we already have plus 1 here. Now we could combine these terms. We get 3x squares, and we have minus 2x and 2x. They cancel out. It is 0. Plus we have plus 3, right? We got 3 ones here. Plus 3. Now in this case, I could factor out 3. So if I factor 3, I get x squared plus 1. Now we know it is a multiple of 3, right? So what you get here is that it is a multiple of 3. Therefore, divisible by 3. Do you understand? So that is how you could do it. Now we have used a couple of formulas here. Let me give you these formulas. We learned them earlier. One is a minus b whole square, which is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then we had a plus b whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? So I applied these two formulas to expand the two terms here with square, and then simplified and did group factoring to get the result. This is a very important question from test point of view. I hope you appreciate it. Feel free to write your comments and share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for watching and all the best.